Well, part of reopening the country will be contact tracing. Virginia is planning to use apps and technology to help with that tracing. But what does that mean for your privacy? News 3 reporter Brendan Ponton explains.
Health experts say tracking the contacts of people who test positive for COVID-19 is key to helping stop the spread of the disease. And now we know the Department of Health will begin using technology to help in the form of a proximity smartphone app. The app would track the movements of people infected and help determine who they came into contact with.
We would encourage people to use it because it helps protect them and others.
During a phone call, leaders from the Virginia Department of Health say they're still working out the specifics of the app and figuring out which one to choose, but say it'll be available in Google and Apple app stores. They say privacy will be key.
Any app that we choose will have the ability for the person to opt in or opt out and not be tracked as they wish.
The Department of Health says the app won't be available for at least the next few weeks, and they say they'll have more details to share about it as it comes out.
We plan to be very transparent because we are trying to help people and not make them fearful of any kind of new technology.
In addition to the technology, the Department of Health is also beefing up manpower, hiring about 1,300 new people to help with contact tracing. That will include calling the contacts of people infected and telling them to possibly quarantine. They're hoping people will listen, but say there are some potential options if they aren't.
If at that point the person is non-compliant, there are measures through law in Virginia where the commissioner could issue an order of isolation or quarantine that would be enforceable, and we do have processes in place to do that.
And health officials say all of this is another tool needed as Virginia begins to reopen.
Contact tracing is going to be really critical in conjunction with testing and case investigation in order to eliminate COVID-19 transmission in Virginia.
In Norfolk, Brendan Ponton, News 3.